I'm Jared and we're talking about the Harley-Davidson genuine HoldFast Two-Up Luggage Rack. Now, before we install that, we will need to install the HoldFast docking hardware kit. This is in gloss black as well. Really easy to install, and once we get this docking kit installed, I'll show you how cool the HoldFast Two-Up Luggage Rack really is. Installing the HoldFast docking hardware kit is really easy, but if your bike comes factory with saddlebags, you're going to want to remove those first. Simply open it up, unlock them, red flag is up, take them off, and set it to the side. Once that's removed, you can see the factory posts here, and what's great about that HoldFast docking system, it's part of the HoldFast family of products that Harley-Davidson makes. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these factory posts. So I've removed the rear post first. I'm gonna focus on just this one. As you can see, that's got a long bolt. Within the HoldFast docking installation kit, it comes with a shorter bolt, but I'm going to utilize both the saddlebags and potentially a sissy bar or a luggage rack. So I'm going to retain using the OE bolt, but complement it with those new docking points. Again, those are in gloss black. So now removing this chrome piece, adding this black docking point here. Now, keep in mind there's two different size docking points. The bigger and the larger ones actually go in the rear, so you're going to go ahead and install that. And you can see right there, that's where your saddlebags are gonna go, and then that's where your HoldFast accessories are gonna go. So again, reapply that Loctite and throw it back in. So now we've installed the rear post here, the OE docking point. Now I'm gonna install the HoldFast docking point. And this is, again, keep in mind, there's a large one in the back and there's a smaller one for the front. Make sure you apply those in the right spots. Also, again, the kit, the HoldFast installation kit does come with the shorter black bolts because I am actually going to utilize the factory luggage racks and one of the HoldFast accessories. I retain those OE fasteners. So going to install that front docking point. Utilizing that HoldFast installation docking hardware kit, and now strapping in just seconds, utilizing those finger latches, the HoldFast Two-Up Luggage Rack. Gloss black ties it all together, and you know what, the two-up setup, you got luggage out back. This is a great piece. Among this and many other Harley-Davidson genuine parts, you can check it out at your local authorized Harley-Davidson dealer, and of course, you can always visit h-d.com.